Allegheny County 911, what the city or township?
Okay, let's be spring call for Stadium Heights.
Okay. Ma'am, what's the address?
1015 Fairfield Street.
Is that a house or an apartment?
It's a house. I have a 23-year-old, 22-year-old child, but I'm requesting that he gets out.
Okay. He's your son?
Yes.
Okay.
He must have came in last night when I was gone.
Okay, so he does not live there? He doesn't live there?
I mean, he stays, he comes and goes, things like that, but I want him out.
Okay, does he have any weapons or anything?
Yes. They're all legal.
What does he... Okay, but he's not threatening you with anything?
I don't know, miss. Look, I'm just waking up from a sleep. I want him gone.
Okay, what's your name,
Are
ma'am?
you leaving or the police gotta come?
What is your name, ma'am?
Margaret Poplawski.
Phone number you're calling from, Margaret?
412, and after this I'm not going to have a phone because it's his phone. 412-519-8886.
Okay, we'll send him over, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.